Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the download stuck for the Xbox Game Pass or game app. This caused by high demand, stuck at 0% or preparing. And many issues are resolved as of now, but if stuck, try these steps. What you want to do is open the app, sign out of your Xbox, your Microsoft account, and sign back in. This refreshes authentication and often unstucks downloads. The next thing you can do is clear the Xbox app cache. So what you want to do in Windows, type in Settings, left-hand side, click on Apps. From here, click on Installed Apps, and from here, search apps, type in Xbox until you find the Xbox app. Click on here, click on Advanced Options, and scroll down until you see Reset. So click on Reset here. And what this does, this will clear corrupted data without losing any kinds of saves. The next thing you can do, go to xbox.com and log in. You want to log in, I'm on the Japanese, I'm in Japan right now, but you want to log in with your account. Okay, well, log into your with your account. Search for the Silksong in the Game Pass library and select Install to Console or /PC. This bypasses the app issues entirely, and this worked for many during launch crashes. The next thing you want to do is, well, make sure you have enough gigabyte pre. The Silksong is 10 gigabytes, but to unpack it needs about 20, so make sure you have 20 available. And on PC, try to pause and resume the download or cancel and restart. The next thing you can do is repair the gaming services on PC. So how do you do that? Open PowerShell. Right click and say run as administrator, and this get appx package gaming services, and then type in remove appx package. And then what you want to do after you have done this, you want to reinstall it via the Microsoft Store. So you go to the Microsoft, not this one, Microsoft Store, and you want to find Xbox app, and then you want to reinstall it, and this will solve many issues. Go to apps, Xbox app, Xbox app, and you want to reinstall it from here. And that is it. If this video has helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.